everyone. Today we are at Fronius India Solutions and Skill Center. They are celebrating their Tech Day 2026. Let's hear from their team.
Welcome to Fronius Lab, which is in Mumbai. Basically, I would like to elaborate on Fronius. Fronius is basically an European OEM for one-stop solution for welding. We have a headquarters in Pune, and in Mumbai, we are placed in inside 𝒂𝒂 premises. So welcome you all. Today is our first Tech Day for 2026. We are celebrating here, and I would like to again welcome you all for this Tech Day. The theme of the Tech Day is intelligent arc control. So basically, we are more focusing on manual machines where lots of technology has already been incorporated inside the machine itself. So I would like to take a tour of this lab. So we will move towards the lab tour. So first I would like to take it to the what exactly our trans-process solution, and I stands for an intelligent model, which is way differ from basic machines. These are all IoT enabled machines where 80% we use software and 20% hardware. So basically these machines will work on most of the decoding the DNA of the ARC kind of softwares we are. So over to you, Ankit, for further explanations.
Thank you for joining us. Today we are demonstrating our latest technology product that is called a TPSI. I stands for the intelligent model. And why it is intelligent? Because this can be IoT enabled machines and highly controlled software products where welding can be eased to any operator or any non-skilled welders also. So why this product is like this? Let's see through the video. This is the small video of the product TPSI. You can see the parameters on the display. It is a very self-explanatory display where operator or a welder we can say operator can be easily understand the parameters through the visual graphical informations, and accordingly this process can be easily utilized with the very ease in operations. This machines is highly developed in such a manner that it can be used in the manual operations, it can be used in the robotic applications, it can be automation highly where we can say skill welding is a challenge. And in recent years, we are facing the challenges of the skilled welders also. So with the ease of operations, any welder can be easily switched to the operator's level. And further to move, we can go with the processes also. This machine can be upgradable to any standards. Like we have the process of steel addition, standard, pulse, PMC, CMT, LSC. These are the very highly developed synergic softwares, and those are the welding packages that can be used for the different applications such as cladding, brazing, then any root applications likewise. So further to move, I would like to go for the LSC route where we can actually understand the applications and their utilizations.
Vikram, for your live demonstration. So here we can see the excellent gap bridgeability. Right now, just you can rotate. Right now, you can see the gap is around 2 mm, and with LSC route, we can demonstrate with exact penetration is coming. So this is LSC. Then we have pulse multi-control, which is the advanced version of pulse process. Pulse is a very standard process. As a Fronius, we have pulse multi-control, where we can weld stainless steel. You can see the quality of stainless steel. This is for manual applications. So in most of the other makes, welding stainless steel with manual is quite difficult, and you can see the aesthetic look also. It is fine and minimal spatter. So now I will like to move for further demonstration on Velo technology, which is one of our unique latest technology with manual welding. Yes, so I would like to again call Vikram for live demonstration of Velo. Velo assistant. This is basically an assistance for MIG welding, where skilling of any operator can be minimized and anybody can weld with Velo assistance. So Ankit, over to you. Yeah.
So basically, you can see the torch. Vikram bhai, can you just basic MIG torch is connected here, and additional filler wire is given here. You can see the additional filler wire. This additional filler wire will help to the welder adjust his welding angle as well as the welding speed. That can be totally controlled in such a way that additional filler wire feeding can be directly utilized for the balancing the weight of the torch as well as the speed of the welding area. So this can be used as very in easy way that anybody can weld. So we can see the live demonstration. You can see here. Generally, any welder need to be for any process. Two hands should be in coordination with the torch to handle the torch angle as well as the height of the welding. But here we can see the one welder is handling the torch in a one-handed, and the other hand will be in very easy. So this is the concept of the Velo. So we can go with the very easy way. So this has been done with the Velo setup, and this is for the SS application where MIG can be used, and MIG-MAC welding can be used in and you can see the synchro pulse. The feature we have used here is the synchro pulse, and with the PMC softwares where ripple finish can be achieved in SS material also. So with these two special softwares, any welder can be weld their application in such a manner that they need to just handle the skills, handle the welding angle, and the welding parameters will be directly controlled with the highly skilled machines. That is called the TPSI models. So yes sir, this is about the second booth, where we are showcasing the latest technology of PMC, LSC, and do visit us. Thank you.
Here we are again having our TPSI, the most advanced power source, with integrated with the KOKA robot. Here we are showcasing the CMT technology, that is cold metal transfer. We are having one job of MS where very thin sheet applications can be welded with this technology. This technology is used for different metal joining also. And here we are showcasing the welding with 100% CO2 gas, which is also one of the challenge in most of the industries. You can get definitely better results with the CMT. We may say minimal spatter welding with CMT. Here we are having the CMT cycle step process on MS welding. This is how precise arc control you can get with the CMT, and this is the result. So you can get a better aesthetic with minimal heat input and minimal distortion. As all of Fronius power sources are industry 4.0 ready, so that digitalization is the key for the future data documentation. One of the solution of Fronius available free of cost for all of our customers is the 𝑰𝒏𝒂, where you can connect all of your machines, whether it is manual machines, robotic machines, or whatever site it is. You can connect it to your software on the 𝑰𝒏𝒂, and you can check all the welding data. You can record all the welding data, and you can do the monitoring of welding on your laptop, on your server also with the help of this software.
So yes, this is the tour, and this is from my side. All my team members are here for the tech day today, and we are closing. So thank you so much, and please do register for the upcoming events tech days lineup.